Hello everyone! In this episode of Midnight Animal Entertainment, I will be listing a few training tips for you and your dog. The first and most important tip is to be patient. Not all dogs learn things right away. Work at your dog's pace and never hit or punish your dog. You want to establish a close relationship, not a relationship where the dog does things in fear. You want your dog to do things because they want to, not because they're scared that you might harm them if they don't. The second tip is to keep training sessions short. 10 to 15 minutes should do. You want to keep your dog interested, and you want his or her full attention. I like to do training sessions before meals. That way, there is more incentive for your dog to perform tricks. You can either use your dog's kibble as treats or buy treats of your own. Speaking of treats, tip number 3 is to provide incentives. If you're worried about over-treating your dog, you can always break apart treats into smaller bits to give out one at a time. If your training sessions are short enough, your dog's favorite toy could be used as an incentive. Dog training clickers can also be used. Once a dog obeys a certain command, clicking the clicker and offering a treat allows the dog to associate a click with a treat, so he or she will expect a treat when the click is heard. Personally, I trained Hero without the clicker and then got one to try it out, and he seems to do better with just praise. But not every dog is the same. Different methods for treating may be better than others. My opinion is to try them all and go with the one that's best. Last but not least is to have fun. Everything is more rewarding when both sides are happy. So to sum it all up, to successfully train your dog, you need to be patient, have short training sessions, incentives, and have fun. Happy training, and we hope to see you again soon.